Hello and welcome to a short screencast on the topics of aspect ratio, the rule of thirds and shot size. We'll start by looking at aspect ratio. This term describes the relationship between the horizontal and vertical measurement of a screen. Typical aspect ratios are 16:9, this is used for HD video, and 4:3, this is used for older standard definition video, 35 and 16mm film. There are other aspect ratios used in US and European cinema, but the main ones that we focus on are 16:9 and 4:3. The cameras we have in the university are capable of shooting in either aspect ratio. Usually we shoot on a 16:9 aspect ratio. Let's have a think about the rule of thirds. By dividing the frame into thirds with imaginary lines and then placing significant objects of interest along the intersections of these lines, you create a better looking photo. So if we have a look at the image below, we've placed the face or head of the subject on the upper third of the screen. The subject is looking to the left, so we've actually placed him on the right hand side of the screen, and this is good practice. If we have a look at these two other images, so it's the same shot, but in the upper image, she's looking left and is on the left of the screen. And this doesn't really feel right. Kind of incorrect placement of the subject. If we look at the image below, she's looking left, but we placed it on the right-hand side of the screen. So this is the correct placement when interviewing a subject. Thinking about our shots now, if we go down to different types of shot, there are a few that have become standard and you should become familiar with them and their terminology. Here's a list of the more common shots. So we'll start with an extreme long shot or wide shot. We move on to a long shot. Move on to medium long shot. And we'll move into a medium shot. We'll go to a medium close-up, followed by a close-up, and also an extreme close-up. We've also got a two-shot, and an over-the-shoulder shot, and also the mirror shot. So that kind of describes all of the shots that you have at your disposal.